clients whose sites we did not build, or even legacy clients who have maybe moved away from an older CMS platform that we've developed their site on years and years ago. Maybe they've rebuilt it and redesigned it in, say, WordPress with a different firm. And inevitably, some of these clients come back to us. And whenever we have a situation like that, the first thing that we have to do is an initial site evaluation, which really allows us to dig in and do a deep dive on the integrity of the code of the site. It helps us uncover any potential security holes. It helps us provide recommendations for site optimizations to improve performance and speed on sites. Basically provides an audit report at the end of the initial site evaluation that a client can then take to a different vendor if they'd like, or they can then engage us further and have us implement those tasks.
Yeah, we're not going to cook up a whole bunch of things that need to be done to your site. We're going to look at the actual structure of your site and say, okay, these are things that you really should do, these are things that you can do, and these are things to think about in the future when it comes to your site. Because when you add, let's say a WordPress CMS, for example, you add plugins in there and you add different themes, and you add, over years, all of this bloat starts to bog down your site overall, and you could have multiple plugins conflicting with each other that are causing a detrimental effect to the UI of your website that you haven't really noticed or haven't figured out how to resolve.
And that initial site evaluation also allows us to become familiar with your site so that we can then move on to support, maintain, and possibly provide site enhancements to the site.